girl, know that I'm gon' love you forever. It's my town and your town. Now that we're here, we gon' build this empire together. When you smile, I smile. As long as I got you, I'm gon' make sure that you smile forever. You're 2 down, I'm so proud. No matter the weather, we gon' pull through the storms together. You're my queen and I'm your king. You're my love, my everything. You have my heart and yours with me. I'm feeling like it's destiny.
Alright y'all, what's up? So today's our maternity shoot day. And so we just got to the place, the venue. And the way that this venue works is that they have like dresses and stuff there at the place. So you can rent the dresses. You can rent an open closet, meaning that you can try on or put on whatever dresses you want. Or you can rent the dresses separately. I decided to do the open closet because if you rent the dresses separately, they're about $40 to $60 each dress, and you can only keep them for 3 days, and then you have to come all the way back. And we're in Humble right now, and I'm like, Houston to Humble is way too far. So I did the open closet. We just left. We're about to go to Ross. Ross is only 7 minutes away. As I was picking out the dresses, one of the dresses, like, I needed underwear. Like, it's a black dress. I needed black underwear, and I don't have that on. I don't know why. I know this. I don't know why I didn't do it, but you always need to have black underwear. Bra.
That's a gem. Everybody might not know that. You gotta let them know.
Bra, panties for women, all of that. Like, you always supposed to keep black underwear. And
for men that wear bra and panties, make sure y'all keep y'all some black ones. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. So that's why we came early. Our shoot is not until 4 p.m., but we came like 40 minutes early just so we can check out the scene, and I'm glad we did because it's 3:30 and we headed to Ross. So
yeah, 3:30 and she headed to Ross.
Yep. So I'm about to go in Ross, find what I need, and then I'm gonna come back, and then hopefully it'll be around time. Our photographer should be on the way, and that's about it. See you later. All right, so this is the place. This is how it looks.
This is the Sam.
And then basically you can just use this whole room of however you want to. And like I said, have to go to Ross, get some little stuff, and we're about to get dressed.
I thought it was real. It was just a little simple. They got all of the dresses. Look, they got the dark, they got some lights and some nudes and stuff over there. All the dresses. And the mama with the Nyla. Mm-hmm. So this is right down. Move that to the side.
I've done my best and my worst, learned my lessons. No matter how hard my life would treat me, I'd always get right back up, never worry. 'Cause I got a million reasons to keep holding on. Yeah, I got all that it takes to win and overcome. What I got is just a feeling, but it's so strong. It goes on and on, on and on. There's something going on inside of me. I feel it growing stronger every beat. I never just believe in what I see, 'cause I can feel the energy.
yourself. I got a couple poses. Then we bring your husband back in.
That's cool.
We also have one outfit whenever you're ready for the
Okay.
Oh, there we go.
Thank you.
It wasn't that bad
I know you done experienced a lot worse.
though. Yeah. Can you move? This one.
They gotta treat you better.
Let's pose like this. We'll kind of move your leg in a little bit and twist a little bit. This is that.
Baby,
What you need me to do?
So,
fix the dress. Like the bottom. Like make sure it's out, not scrunched up, looking raggedy. Make it look like we paid some money for this.
Hey,
You're not helping, babe.
I'm fixing it. What you mean? What you want me to do with
it
it?
can just be all the way around there.
Yeah, like
That's why
spread
it's
it
possible.
out. There you go. Why did there you go.
I was trying to get the dust off first. It's damn dusty.
Yeah, right. I can't really see it though. So.
Keep going.
Yeah, you can pull in that part, yeah. Perfect, perfect. I think it's around there, yeah, that's good. Right there is good.
I think
Awesome. Can you move
more.
the lace around? Yeah, just a little bit, yeah. You can pull it back up, but I don't want to show you, yeah.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer. No time to be sober, sunshine on my shoulders.